Well, I'm nae Brigitte Bardot, and I'm nae Sophia Loren. Miss United Kingdom, oh no, you're wrong again. And I'm nae Prince Harry's girlfriend, or even Miss Grampian. I'm the Quine faddest, the stripping Inverurie. Knew I used to operate a loom at Richard's factory. I liked it fine enough, but oh, it wasn't recht for me. Wi' my figure and my looks and my personality. I was born to do the stripping Inverurie. I ta'en a bussy into Aberdeen a day to see the sights. Fin a manny said, "Hey darling, would you like to hit the heights? Oh, you're wasted in a factory. I could put your name in lights." So I signed to do the stripping Inverurie. Well, I met a farmer at a dance. He asked to see me hame, but you should have seen his face when I said, "Lad, I'm just nae game. Fa do you think I am? I'm nae just onybody you can. I'm the Quine faddest, the stripping Inverurie." Well, I met a Texan millionaire. He swept me off my feet. He bought me furs and diamonds for a shop off Union Street. And he asked if I would marry him, but I said I couldn't do it, for I'd miss the fun of haying in Inverurie. Well, they called me for the BBC. Said, "Well, we'll do a deal. Your fee'll be a $5 and a lovely canteen meal." But I couldn't speak for laughing. I said, "Awa, and I be feel, for I strip for £80 in Inverurie." Well, I think I'll still be at it, even fun a mal and grey. I when I get up stripping till they carry me away. When I reach the pearly gates at last, I'll be very proud to say I'm the Quine that did the stripping Inverurie.